Here we have a Miko circle cut concrete saw. It's powered by a Wisconsin gasoline engine. And we're gonna turn it on here and show you that it works. Only thing we're not gonna do today is hook up the water, but the water hooks up right here to a water hose, and it'll come out where your blade is at. So we'll go ahead and start it up and then show you here some of the stuff that it does here. Okay, that is a Miko circle cut in concrete saw.